Hey everyone, so is AnyDesk file transfer not working? Maybe you can't send or receive files, or the transfer keeps failing midway. Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you need to share documents or media quickly. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix AnyDesk file transfer issues in 2026, and most of these solutions only take a few minutes. First, make sure both devices have a stable internet connection. AnyDesk requires a reliable network to transfer files without interruptions. Next, make sure file transfer is allowed in AnyDesk settings. On the remote device, check that the option to receive files is enabled. Restart the AnyDesk app on both devices. Close it completely from the system tray or task manager, wait a few seconds, and reopen it. This often resolves temporary transfer issues. Make sure both devices are running the latest version of AnyDesk. Outdated versions can cause file transfer errors or compatibility problems. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software can block file transfers. Ensure AnyDesk is allowed through security software on both devices. Check the file size and folder permissions. Very large files or restricted folders can cause transfers to fail. If file transfers still aren't working, reinstall AnyDesk on both devices. Uninstall, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent transfer issues. And that's it. Most AnyDesk file transfer problems can be fixed by checking settings, updating the app, or reinstalling AnyDesk. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone!